Everyone, I'm super excited to tell you about our Digioh Wizard, and I'm going to show you how to build a web form using our wizard. It's super easy, a lot of different combinations. I'm going to show you this in action. I have a few slides that I just want to make sure you guys and highlight. Everything is responsive, so everything you see here is responsive, drag and drop. You can use your custom fonts, custom colors, really easy to make changes. I'm going to show you that in a minute as well. We have loads of themes, so a lot of times you never have to start from scratch. You can easily create a form that you see here. And then you can replicate it pretty easily as well and kind of make it yours. Add images, a background image, a custom font, text, everything is modifiable in a drag and drop editor. We have different types of forms that you can create. We have, the straight up email capture pop-up. We have multi-step, so email and then phone number in a progressive capture. We have promote a sale, for example, so things like a sweepstakes. We have surveys, like how did you hear about us surveys or net promoter score surveys. Contact forms, job title, drop downs, radio buttons, all sorts of things that you may want to ask. We have exit intent, cart abandonment. So this is great for e-commerce, save cart to email, abandon cart on exit. We can grab the items in the cart and pass it through. We have preference quizzes. So things like, why are you shopping here? Is it for a dress or is it a tuxedo? So you have kind of a multi-step guided selling forms as well. A download a file form. So you can enter an email and then get a one-click download to a file. You can actually upload a PDF and do a one-click download. Sweepstakes are always really huge. So you can have all sorts of terms and services languages. You can have all sorts of fields with custom validation as well. I'm going to show you how to build that as well and how easy that is to do. Not only that, once you pick what type of form you want, you can pick the location. So this could be a lightbox. This is front and center, a basic pop-up. You can have something that kind of slides in. You can actually change the position of where it shows up, how it shows up, so it can slide in. We see a lot of great results when it's center left. So that's called a sidebar. And then we also have a banner. A banner is great to do announcements, do deals, Black Friday deals, and that kind of take over the top or the bottom of the page. And then we have the inline, the standard embed form. So this is great for contact us forms. So you can click on, you can have an embed form, you can embed it right on your page, on a specific page. Doesn't pop open at you, it's just an embedded form. And then each one of those, as you kind of pick which ones, we have loads of themes that kind of meet those criteria. So this right here is the Digioh platform. I hop right into the wizard, and then these are kind of everything that you can pick. And I'm going to skip this section, but for example, I can take capture email, and then I can be like, where do I want to position? Let's say I want a light box, and then we have hundreds of themes that you can pick from in every combination. I just want to quickly show you all of our themes. So you can skip and view all of our themes because all of our themes can easily be adaptable to any type of location and you can customize it. So these are all of our themes. We have a spin to win theme. This is a guided selling theme. This is a multi-step, click a button, enter an email, and then maybe you could ask for other additional questions or things that you want. This is like a lead capture form. Here's like a experience survey. Here's the download PDF. So each one of these themes is highly customizable. I'll quickly pick this super basic theme. I can name it, and you can have as many of these forms as you want in your Digioh account. So I can have, sign up now, Lightbox, for example, and everything is customizable here. So it's all drag and drop, right? I could change this to sign up now. I can upload a font in our custom font section, and then you could move things around. You could A/B test this, multivariate test this. All I have to do is hit save and publish, and it's live on your site. You do have to add our one-line global tag to your site. That's all you have to do to get this up and running. And then what's cool, and so here are the different widget types. You can have different widget types right here. So this could be the light box, the sidebar. So you can actually modify how it shows up, when it shows up. And then we have these conditions. So you could set different logic of when it shows up, how it shows up, who it shows up to. So you can have all sorts of conditions like, hey, I only want to show this pop-up to a certain set of URLs, or based on their browsing behavior, based on where they're located, based on what type of device they are. And you can add these rules together. And then you can also set up things like, hey, I only want to show this every 3 days, and I want to stop showing it if they've subscribed. So a lot of power there. And you can of course add custom fields. Very easy to build these type of forms. They're all ADA compliant, WGAC compliant. So it's great for screen readers as well. So by default, everything will be up and running and working perfect for you. We also are very hands-on and we can help you design and build these as well inside our own platform. Let me know if you have any questions. We're excited about this.